Namaste students, welcome back to Yoga session, Yoga with the Family, session 20. I hope you are all practicing regularly. Yes, really good. And in this session, we are going to learn Sirasasana. The word from Sanskrit, Sir, it means head. Asana, you know very well, a posture, right? In English, we can say headstand pose, as well as it is called inverted pose, right? So, very wonderful asana. Just listen. Now, we are going to observe the Sirasasana. Sirasasana செய்முறை விளக்கம் பார்ப்போம். அதற்கான காமன் வார்ம் அப் செய்வோம். First, ankle rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise, 9 times. Right leg, left leg, clockwise, anti-clockwise, 9 times. Okay. Then knee rotation, internal rotation, 9 times. External rotation, 9 times. Both knees clockwise 9 times, anti-clockwise 9 times. Then sit up 9 times, and then hip rotation, slowly rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, now interlock both hands, twisting 9 times. Now wrist rotation, clockwise 9 times, anti-clockwise 9 times. Push up. Okay. Now shoulder rotation, forward rotation. This is 9 times. Backward rotation, 9 times. Now hands rotation. Forward rotation 9 times. Backward rotation 9 times. Now right hand forward, left hand backward 9 times. Left hand forward, right hand backward 9 times. Okay, hands rotation forward. Now turning of neck, right, complete turning, left, right, left, 9 times. Now up, down, up, down. This also 9 times. Now eyeball rotation. Just interlock both hands. Slowly rotate your interlocked hands. Just observe your hand, thumb, nail. Like this 9 times. Anti-clockwise, slowly, anti-clockwise also 9 times. Now, spreading leg. 1, 2, like this 9 times. And finally, push up warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this 9 times. Now your body is ready for do Sirsasana. So எப்படி செய்யறதுன்னு பாப்போம். Step 1 like this. Step 2 lifting one leg. Step 3 balancing like this. Step 4 slowly raising your both legs. Normal breathing. Minimum 30 seconds, maximum as your practice. Now slowly relax, bend, first fold like this, then slowly come down. If you are relaxing, it means take 30 seconds like this position, because the blood circulation is on the brain, at the gravitation, so that we have to stay 30 seconds like this. Then slowly relax in Savasana for 1 minute. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Then join your leg, fold your left leg, then raise your right hand upward, turn on side. Sit as usual. So do slowly with awareness, as well as warm up is important. Sirsasana headstand pose எல்லா வார்ம் அப்பும் செய்த பிறகு உடலோட கண்டிஷன் ஆசனா செய்யறதுக்கு ஏதுவா இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நீங்க சிரசாசனால பழகணும். நார்மல் பிரீதிங். ஸோ இதற்கான பயன்கள் என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். Health benefits of Sirsasana. Calms the mind, brain, and helps relieve stress and mild depression. And it stimulates the pituitary and pineal glands, strengthen the arms, legs, spine and lungs, tones the abdominal organs, improves digestion, helps relieve the symptoms of menopause, and finally therapeutic for asthma, infertility, insomnia and sinusitis. So these are all the benefits from while doing Sirasasana. So do practice regularly. All the best. Thank you.